Service in Denver has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Adams County in northeastern Colorado, northeastern Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:48 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles south of Shamrock, or 31 miles south of Fort Morgan, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shamrock. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.